Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I am so impressed with the improvement in my gum health since I started using this foaming toothpaste from Coral. I'd never used a foaming toothpaste before, and I love that this actually can double as a mouthwash. This toothpaste is really cool because this uses above sea coral calcium, which helps to naturally neutralize acid. Not only does it help to improve the overall health of your mouth, but it also helps to whiten your teeth. And it also has nano silver. So that helps to eliminate causes of bad breath, and it's probiotic friendly. In fact, after you brush your teeth, you're not going to rinse your mouth out. And that allows the nano silver to really absorb into your system so that you get the most benefits from it. Just as important as what is in this toothpaste is what's not in it. So it doesn't have, again, fluoride, SLS, paraben, or glycerin, and it's sweetened with xylitol and stevia. I got the mint flavor. It's a really nice sweet mint, and it's very pleasant to taste. I'm really pleased with the results that I'm seeing from this toothpaste, and I think that you will be too, but that's just my point of view.